Hello everyone, and welcome to NARUX presentation. I'm Toshiyuki Kodama. In this presentation, I'd like to introduce you about our latest product, micro-lens array as a super wide-angle diffuser. Micro-lens array, called as MLA, consists of a set of lenses. One of the applications of the MLA is the homogeneous laser illumination for wider angle range. There was a problem in typical MLA. It has a periodic structure and it causes a kind of pattern in the output irradiation light by the diffraction effect. We have presented about random MLA, which offer homogeneous light distribution with 120 degrees distribution achievement. The consumer market products provide this illumination range, but they have unnecessary diffraction pattern. Please watch our previous videos for more detailed information. In recent years, MLAs has been widely used as illuminator lens of 3D depth sensors. For example, face recognition, autonomous driving, driver monitoring, factory automation, AR, VR, and security fields. MLA diffuser is very useful for these applications. However, the light distribution angle is not sufficient now. Wide angle distribution over 120 degrees contribute to reducing the dead angle and downsizing the device. We redesigned the MLA shape to enhance the distribution angle. Here we show the prototype of the super wide-angle MLA. The distribution angle is over 170 degrees, and the efficiency is about 80%. The lens of MLA has high aspect ratio and a large curvature. This prototype size is 7 by 7 millimeters. Now we are currently undergoing downsize to 3 by 3 millimeters and 0.5 millimeter thickness. The detailed specification of the prototype design is following here. The distribution angle reaches 171 degrees and the transmittance efficiency is 79%. The MLA material is a high refractive index polycarbonate. Currently, we are also considering to utilize the reflowable polymer for the materials of the MLA. This specification is just one of the cases, so we can customize them corresponding to your requirements. Here, I show the measurement and design distributions of the diffuser. Our mass production technology enables a good agreement with the optical design. Of course, even in mass production, it is possible that orders that meet this level of accuracy. If you would consider utilizing the MLA, NARUX can support you from the optical design to mass production. We have 5 key technologies: optical design, ultra-precision processing, injection moldings, coatings, metrology, and optical evaluation. We also have high-level experts in each section, and they could propose ideal products with considering characteristics and the cost. If you have any interest or questions, please contact us. Thank you.